Your Tesla Model Y's cabin air filter is crucial for filtering out dust, pollen, allergens, and other particulates, ensuring clean air inside the vehicle. Over time, this filter becomes clogged, reducing its effectiveness and potentially impacting your HVAC system's performance. Changing it regularly improves air quality and prevents issues. Tesla recommends replacement every 10,000 to 15,000 miles or annually, but urban drivers in polluted environments may need to change it more frequently. The cabin air filter in a 2024 Tesla Model Y is located under the frunk, which is the front trunk area. First, open the frunk and remove any floor mats to access the area. Look for the rectangular filter housing, which measures about 12 by 8 inches. It's positioned behind the front bumper and above the battery pack. The housing is typically secured by plastic clips or screws. While tools aren't usually needed, a flathead screwdriver can help pry open stubborn clips. Once you've accessed the filter housing, unclip the lid. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic. The lid may have a latch or screws. Tesla advises against using power tools. Carefully pull out the old filter, paying attention to its orientation. Note the arrow indicating the airflow direction. It points toward the cabin. Inspect the housing for any debris and clean it if necessary. Vacuuming is a great option for this. Now that you've removed the old filter, carefully insert the new cabin air filter into the housing. Pay close attention to the airflow arrow printed on the filter. This arrow should point inward toward the HVAC unit inside the vehicle. Make sure the new filter sits snugly inside the housing. It should fit securely without any gaps around the edges. A proper fit ensures all air passes through the filter for maximum efficiency. Secure the housing lid back in place, ensuring all clips or fasteners are properly engaged. A tight seal is crucial to prevent unfiltered air from bypassing the filter, which could reduce the system's effectiveness. Finally, close the front completely. Make sure it's securely latched to protect the filter housing and maintain the vehicle's aerodynamics. Now that you've installed the new cabin air filter, it's time to test and verify that everything is working correctly. First, start your Tesla Model Y by pressing the brake pedal and the start button on the center console. Next, test the HVAC system by turning on the climate control. Open the Tesla app or use the touchscreen to set a comfortable temperature, typically around 24 degrees Celsius. Check for proper airflow by feeling the air coming from the vents. Ensure the air is blowing steadily and feels clean and fresh, without any unusual odors or dust. Monitor cabin air quality using Tesla's app sensors if your vehicle is equipped. The app will display real-time air quality readings and particulate levels. A noticeable improvement in air quality, such as clearer readings on the app or fresher air from the vents, indicates a successful filter replacement. If you don't notice improvement, double-check the installation. For changing the cabin air filter in your 2024 Tesla Model Y, you'll need a new replacement filter. Tesla's official OEM filters are designed specifically for the Model Y and maintain full warranty coverage, but compatible third-party filters from brands like K&N or Bosch offer good performance at a lower cost and are widely available. You'll also need a pair of gloves to keep your hands clean and protected. Nitrile or mechanics gloves are ideal for this job, as they provide a good grip and prevent oil or dirt from transferring to the new filter or housing. A flathead screwdriver is optional but helpful for prying any stuck clips on the filter housing. Make sure it's clean and not too worn, as damaged tips can scratch the plastic components. Tesla advises against using power tools to prevent damage. A vacuum cleaner with a narrow attachment or a soft brush is essential for cleaning the filter housing. Remove any dust, leaves, or debris that may have accumulated to prevent contamination of the new filter and maintain efficient airflow. Finally, a microfiber cloth helps clean the surrounding frunk area. Wipe away any remaining dust or fingerprints to keep your Tesla's interior looking pristine, cleaned, and prevent any debris from entering the cabin. For getting airflow direction, the filter has an arrow showing airflow direction. Always install with arrow pointing inward toward the HVAC unit. Over-tightening screws. Use gentle hand pressure on screws. Over-tightening can strip threads or damage the housing. Using excessive force, handle the filter and housing carefully. Force can tear the filter or break clips. Neglecting to clean housing. Dust in the housing can contaminate the new filter. Wipe it clean before installation. Using non-OEM filters. OEM filters meet Tesla specs. Non-OEM may void warranty or reduce efficiency. Not checking dimensions. Measure and verify filter size matches the housing to ensure proper fit. To prolong the life of your cabin air filter, avoid driving with the windows down in dusty or polluted environments. This simple habit can significantly extend the time between filter replacements, especially in urban areas with high pollution levels. Consider upgrading to a multi-function filter that includes activated carbon. This type of filter not only traps particles but also removes odors and volatile organic compounds, providing a fresher cabin environment and addressing common air quality concerns. Be aware of the automotive industry's shift towards smarter cabin filtration systems. Modern vehicles now integrate AI and sensors that monitor particulate levels in real time, alerting drivers when filter replacement is needed and predicting maintenance schedules based on driving conditions and air quality data. Looking ahead, future advancements include eco-friendly filter materials made from biodegradable or recyclable substances, reducing environmental impact. Additionally, fully automated filter systems could emerge, where robots or autonomous service mechanisms handle replacements, making maintenance even more convenient and efficient.